Hey guys, it's Ken here from Ergonx, and we're back at the Athlete's Foot in Carindale. We're with Brock today, and what we're doing is we're asking what are the common questions you get asked around footwear, running shoes, and running injuries that we can help with. So Brock's got a question for us.
How do I clean my shoes?
How do you clean your shoes? It's a really common one. Generally, we should never be too rough on the shoes. So it's very much like, let's say, if we're cleaning orthotic inner soles, custom orthotics, or just inner soles, we usually use a bucket of warm soapy water and we scrub them and scrub the dirt off them. Then we leave them to air dry, not in the direct sun, not in the oven, not in the dryer, not in the back of the car. If we overheat them, it damages the foams in the shoe and it'll harden some of the plastic components. So we very gently scrub them, let them air dry out of the sun, and that'll be the best thing for your shoes to keep them looking good for longer. But it's often the case that when your shoes start to look a bit ratty, a lot of times the midsole is already worn out. So that might be time to replace your shoes. So if you're hitting that sort of 12-month or 1,000 kilometer mark with your shoes, that's time to replace them. Don't clean them, replace your shoes. But if you just walk through mud, warm soapy water, scrub them and air dry them.